Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we're going to talk about this new website HyperGPT. So what do you call by HyperGPT? This is the power combines of Web3 along with the AI technology. So what do you call by AI technology? So AI technology is artificial intelligence. So this will help us our daily lives. So to make it short and you understand everything, we're going to explain one by one what is HyperGPT can do. So HyperGPT can contributes to the evolution of the new computer intelligence, which is we can connect our wallet here. Also committed to delivering AI solution that enhance your business performance. Will also improve your customer experience here in Hyper Solution. No? So they will help you as a team of experts that dedicated to delivering cutting edge technology. And also exceptional that you get most of this platform. So this is one of the examples here, which is the Hyper Store. So this is it, guys. So here is Hyper SDK to enhance an integrated AI solution with just a single account. This will help us to reduce development costs and saves you a lot of time. So now we're going to talk about this new Hyper NFT. So what do we call with this one? This will help you to generate content for unique and original NFT in AI, no? And also there's more. In just one click, you can generate it in just a seconds, guys. So wow, this is very cool. Also, this HyperGPT can access all blockchain AI solution in one place, as you can see, guys. No? This website provides all you need and have access to all the blockchain and crypto in a single platform. They also gives you an easy access into your DApp. So by utilizing the HyperGPT's AI model, generate custom smart contracts, centralized application, and other crypto and blockchain related. Okay? Simply describing their needs. So they also have their here, guys, this HGPT, which is their utility token. So it's already available on the CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko. Also, they have staking program here, guys, okay, as you can see, yeah, where you can stake HGPT token and gives you incentive to user who support and reaping the rewards of doing so. They also have the farming process, so by depositing HGPT token into a liquidity, okay, users can ensure the stability and liquidity of the token while earning, okay, rewards in the form of HGPT token. So these are their team since their faces here, which gives you confidence that they are really trying to make a revolutionary WebG platform. So they also have here their advisors, guys, as you can see, and they also have here their partners. So they are partnered with Pulse Engineer, Started Ballparks, and Chiron Labs. So if you guys want latest news and event here, guys, you can join their newsletter by messaging using your email address. So if you saw, we have here this pricing. So this will be their pricing is live. So okay, you can see free trial where you can get 100 credit monthly, no? Premium of 49.90 and custom for the enterprise. So since HyperGPT is gonna go live really soon. Okay, so we also have here, guys, their AI solution. So I'll show you the AI solution from HyperGPT. So we have this HyperChat, HyperCodes, HyperContracts, and Hyper what do you call this, extract, and HyperPortrait, okay, HyperImage, and also Hyper they also have some coming soon, guys, okay, which is the HyperTrade, okay, HyperShield, and HyperResearch. So if you guys want their website, so you can also learn more, guys, okay. So now we're going to move in their Twitter, no? So let's follow, and as you can see here, they already have 33,000 followers. So now let's go back onto the website. So that is all, guys, in this video, and I hope that this HyperGPT, you can click here on the document page if you want to help, if you want some help. Yeah, so you can see here, guys, the version, and there's another version and all of the specs of the HyperGPT platform. So thank you, and that's all for today's video, and see you in my next video. Please subscribe and follow for more video like this.